English in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, southern Grayson County in north-central Texas, western Fannin County in north-central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dorchester, or 8 miles southwest of Sherman, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Sherman, Bonham, Prosper, Anna, Salina, Pilot Point, Van Alstyne, Howe, Aubrey, Krugerville, Whitewright, Gunter, Bells, Tom Bean, Savoy, Hector, Don City, Ravenna, and Dorchester. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas.
Playing a KXT show over in
Denton County in north-central Texas, northwestern County in north-central Texas, southern Grayson County in north-central Texas, western Fannin County in north-central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dorchester, or 8 miles southwest of Sherman, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McKinney, Sherman, Bonham, Prosper, Anna, Salina, Pilot Point, Van Alstyne, Howe, Aubrey, Krugerville, Whitewright, Gunter, Bells, Tom Bean, Savoy, Hector, Don City, Ravenna, and Dorchester. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas.
Washington.
Cover the business.
Deed. All right.
Simply.
Here's one. They're going.
It's got.
Dreams with
the
very yellow boats. Take everything.
Check you out. Make sure you don't.
Purpose truly.
Start
Going at
see my spine.
Pennington's been full. By radio saying and the trick. We're here.
I'd have no reason from the young voice.
By the time everything.